Welcome to Bike Review Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive and exotic motorcycles in the world, the 2026 MV Agusta RUSH. It's loud, it's limited, and it's absolutely insane. With its military-inspired styling, superbike DNA, and unmatched Italian craftsmanship, the RUSH isn't for everyone. But that's exactly the point. Let's see what makes the 2026 model even more outrageous than before. Design and styling. An Italian weapon on wheels. The 2026 RUSH continues to push design boundaries with its futuristic, almost sci-fi appearance. From the carbon fiber wheel covers and exposed mechanicals to the asymmetric LED lighting and single-sided swing arm, every detail screams exclusivity. The color scheme this year features matte black with brushed aluminum, accented by aggressive red highlights. It looks more like a concept bike than something you can actually ride, and that's the appeal. Engine and performance, superbike power, naked madness. Under the skin, the RUSH is based on MV Agusta's Brutale 1000 RR, but it's dialed up to 11. The 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine produces a jaw-dropping 208 horsepower, and with the race kit installed, it can go up to 212 horsepower. Top speed? Over 300 kilometers per hour, 186 plus mph. This is hyper-naked territory, with mind-bending acceleration and a soundtrack that'll raise every hair on your body. Technology and electronics. Full control of the chaos. To tame this beast, MV Agusta has equipped the RUSH with a full suite of electronics. 8-level traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, launch control, quick shifter up/down, multiple ride modes. The 5.5-inch TFT display is crystal clear and features full smartphone connectivity, GPS navigation, and telemetry options. This isn't just brute force. It's intelligent performance, chassis and ride experience, precision engineering. Despite the extreme specs, the 2026 RUSH offers surprisingly agile handling, thanks to a lightweight trellis frame, Öhlins semi-active suspension, and top-shelf Brembo Stylema brakes. The ride is firm and focused, built for the track, but manageable on the street. Every input feels sharp and responsive, making this one of the most thrilling rides you can buy. Exclusivity and price. Not for the faint of heart. MV Agusta is only producing a limited number of RUSH units worldwide. Each one is hand-built with serialized badging and comes with a full race kit, including titanium exhaust and performance ECU. The price? Around 45,000 euros or 49,000 US dollars, making it one of the most expensive naked bikes on the planet. Who should buy it? The RUSH isn't practical. It's not subtle. But if you're a collector, performance purist, or someone who wants the wildest machine on two wheels, the 2026 MV Agusta RUSH is a dream come true. Final verdict: more than a motorcycle. The 2026 MV Agusta RUSH is more than just a bike. It's a statement. It's raw, rare, and built without compromise. If you want the pinnacle of Italian design and engineering,